In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a border to an image block in Squarespace. First, head into your Squarespace site. From the main navigation, click Website, then Pages, and open the page that already contains the image you want to frame. Once you're on that page, scroll to the exact image you plan to style so it's in view and easy to work with. To create a clean border, we'll use a shape block as an outline. Click Add Block at the top right of the editor. In the block menu, find the shape block, then drag and drop it directly onto your layout, positioning it over the image. You'll see handles around the shape. Use those to resize the shape so it covers the entire image area edge to edge. Take a moment to line up the corners and sides. The closer the fit, the more professional the border will look. Next, double-click the shape block to open its design options. Here, select Stroke to add an outline. That stroke is your border. Choose a color that complements your site and adjust the thickness so it's as subtle or bold as you want. If your image has rounded corners, match that styling now. Use the corner radius controls and the shape settings so the outline mirrors the image's exact silhouette, whether it's a perfect rectangle with sharp corners or a softly rounded card-style image. Matching these values keeps the border snug and prevents any awkward gaps. With the stroke set, let's place the shape behind the image so the outline frames it without covering anything. Right-click the shape, choose Arrange and select Move to Back. This tucks the shape block underneath, letting the image sit on top while the border peeks out evenly around the edges. If you don't immediately see the outline, increase the stroke weight slightly or nudge the shape size a hair until the border is visible all the way around. And there you go. Your image now has a clean, customizable border created with a shape block. This method gives you control over color, thickness, and corner styling, all without altering the image itself. That's all.